just drive around aimlessly, trying to forget who we want to be, trying to just breathe and be carefree, baby, you and me. Head up in the stars, driving fast cars, feeling like
we're about 10 miles away from Leadville. Look at this view and all the freaking cows. I love it. New Colorado, mountain transportation and trails. So many cows. Welcome to Leadville.
This isn't much higher than Elmo.
Not much, no.
That's 10,019 feet.
And the grade there was a lot steeper.
Well, it was quicker. This we must have come over a distance.
Yeah. Entering the cloudy city, altitude 10,152 feet. This is Leadville. Here's some information if you want to read it. Leadville has been designated a registered National Historic Landmark, 1962. Here's some more information. God, is that silver? So of course we had to stop by a weed shop because they wanted to go in and look. I don't really particularly care for it, so I'm just staying in the truck. Look at that cool old tiny house. That's neat. I love that. Here they come. Oh, you got a sticker? So how was the weed dispensary?
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
I thought I was buying some of the stuff you drank, the green stuff.
Oh no, I seriously doubt it.
But the
that tube,
these little tubes.
Yeah, that tube looks nothing like this tube. This is definitely the highest town.
Oh my gosh! Look at that fatty.
Wait.
Oh my gosh! That's loose rolled.
They do sell recreational here too. It's not just.
That's what we bought was recreational. Yeah. I got my medicinal.
So this is the highest town in America, and I don't just mean altitude.
Here's a sticker for your rig. Earl's Weed Shop, Leadville, Colorado.
Thanks.
For your non-smoking butt. And here's Aj's favorite store coming up.
Shush. So we're driving through town. No way. Are you serious? That dang place is called Come and Go.
Spelled.
Oh my God.
Don't let her fool you. That's what you came for.
Are you coming or going?
There's a Silver Dollar Saloon. It's a neat looking little town.
Okay, so we passed.
What you think, Moo-moo?
Oh, look, an oxygen bar.
You want to go to the oxygen bar?
Oh, they do have an oxygen bar here.
Yeah, I told you they got them here. Quincy's.
Where?
Right there,
Oh
steak
my
and
God.
spirits. They got a Quincy's here. We got to do lunch here too. So.
I love these old buildings.
Okay, so the opera was back that way. We'll hit that on the way out.
Okay.
That you told us about, the old opera house.
Such a cool old town.
Oh, wow.
Why are you stopping there?
I was looking at that dog.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Let's rob the bank, get on our horses and ride out of town.
It's not the Wild West.
We got to try that beer. Cheryl, that's brewed here locally.
Yeah.
There's a place there where we're staying at that has the Eddie line. Jason was drinking it, said it's really good.
Can you go pee-pee? Alright. Go pee-pee. Head frame, sometimes called a gallows frame. This structure was used to hoist ore from the Doris shaft 400 feet in Iowa Gulch, east of Leadville, producing gold, silver, and lead during the years 1890 to 1894. What is it? Oh, it's just a cart. Oh,
That's
cool.
a rock crusher.
Rock crusher. Look at that building. Wow.
Oh, a crib.
A lot to see here. The crib.
The women who lived in and used buildings such as this during the mining years were hardworking survivalists who used the opportunities available to them. Shows the contents, bed and everything in there.
Believed to be the last remaining crib in Leadville.
I come back to my crib.
Look at you, silly. Look at that old bed in there.
Hey, guys, jump on it.
What is it? A bellow?
Bellows.
Oh.
It stokes the fire.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Blows oxygen out.
And there's a steam boiler. They have a midget barrel over here for you. Right there.
See, I'm gonna put you in that and boil it. Yeah, we're having some Aja stew tonight.
There's the railroad tracks that lead into that mine right there.
Yeah, this is an old mine right here. It's pretty cool. You looking for gold?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, I don't think you'll find it
might
here.
be one still around. Looks like a vein. It came out of a vein of it.
It looks like a
There's-
piece of poo,
Gold follows
Hey.
quartz.
but then when you turn
That's
it
my
over,
line, sir.
Gold follows quartz, and that looks like a came out of a vein of quartz.
You think it's quartz?
do you think there's gold
Well,
in
yeah,
it?
and
Shaft water baler. That's just weird sounding. Look at that. That's cool. I gotta look at this old miner's cabin. Isn't that neat? Let's take a look inside. Ooh, it's so dark and creepy. Ooh. Do you like it, Moo-moo? Yes. Here's some information on the gravity stamp mill if you want to read it. One of these old houses.
slate. or
Well, that
tile.
looks like a church. Is that a church? Yeah, that's definitely
Cedar
got to be a...
shingles or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at the big arches.
Yeah.
Wow, that is old.
God, the buildings are so close together. With all this land, you'd think they would separate a little bit.
Definitely didn't have a planning or zoning commission back then.
Yeah.
Oh, you're nice.
Wow, there's another church. That one's prettier. Huge steeple. Is it steeple? Yeah, steeple. Cool.
Here's the church. Here's the church. Here's the steeple. Open the door. There's all the people.
So we are going back down the main road, trying to find a restaurant to eat at. Hungry. Silver Dollar Saloon, 1879. This is one of the oldest saloons.
Oh, look at the ladies. I wonder if that was the old saloon.
The brothel up there. It's pretty neat. Oh God, look at it.
Nobody got time for that. Ready?
Oh wow, this is pretty cool. Everything looks so old, it's so dark in here. Wow. What you think? And down we go. Oh, it fell off. Here it comes. There you go. Ooh, look at the cool old benches. God, everything's so neat. It's an old telephone booth right by the gentleman's bathroom. There's a line there. Look at those old saloon doors. Wow, that's a cool old pool table.
You guys will sit here at the big table?
Wow, look at this old stove. I think this is where we're gonna sit right here. Well, that's not very authentic. I don't think they had TVs back then.
They had Google back then.
They had what?
Google. If you
That's
needed
not
to know,
Google.
if you needed to know something, you went to the Googly store and you Googled it.
Googly.
Well, they shortened the name now, but that's where Google first started. Nice.
Wow.
What?
See the backwood of the bar? The bar?
The two
Uh-huh.
booths, they were sitting on the train.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, them tables we first.
That's cool. Oh, they were on the train.
Them were seating on the train.
Oh. Are there any bullet holes here?
Well, he's at that bar. It's the original bar, 1879. It was shipped here on a train.
Oh, cool.
See all that wood behind
Yeah.
there, the glass?
So that's the old bar that was shipped here. That's so cool.
The Doc Holiday Burger.
Yeah. Oh my God, they got Chihuahua on the menu.
Oh, that sounds good. TBC.
Right there in the appetizers. It says
Turkey,
Chihuahua.
bacon, and cheddar.
That's scary.
This place was originally opened as the Board of Trade. The saloon's name was later changed to the Silver Dollar, before finally becoming the Silver Dollar Saloon.
Oh, what is the Board of Trade? Oh, like a trading post?
I don't know.
Oh.
Guess you'll have to come here and read this, because he's going to give you a test later.
Yeah.
After you eat.
Oh.
Yeah, like a cold bread.
Yeah.
So Chihuahua is a cheese.
The corn on the top. What do you do with that?
1879?
1879.
No, that bar was a dance house until 1979.
No, the bar that was made and shipped here on a train.
The big, huge one with the wood.
Behind the bar.
You're right in my... Look, they even have Moses' staff.
Moses wasn't Irish.
Oh, sorry. My bad. Cool old wood-burning stove. What is it?
That old world is sort of wind up. Music machines.
Oh, yeah. That's neat. Oh, look at the old poker table. I love this saloon. That's what it looks like in the winter. Map of Leadville. This picture was taken in 1911. That was a long time ago. The ghost. Oh. Oh, look at it. There's a ghost in that picture. I can barely see it. Ooh,
Yeah.
that looks good. I like the plates. There goes your cheese.
It's on tongue and groove panel.
Oh, yeah.
Wood panel.
Huh.
That's the Oscar Wilde.
Looks good.
That looks really good.
You're not that
Ooh, lamb shank.
You got the
Oh, you
lamb
got the
shank.
lamb
I
as well?
did.
I was looking at it and I was like, ooh,
I got. Ooh, that's good.
What the hell is that?
We're splitting it anyways.
Yeah, we're splitting it.
So I
That
get half
looks
of this
really
and I
good.
get half of that. So that is steak and cheese, but it does look like a big jellyfish.
There you go, lemonade boy.
Ooh, onion ring.
What else can I get?
that is
Anybody?
I'm good.
They take a potato, cut it right in.
I might have to steal one of his fries. These onion rings are.
Oh, them are good.
What is that?
You want some salt?
Really damn
those are real for
Go easy, but you need it.
I cut it.
Woo!
I did not cut that half easily at all. It's
Oh my
okay.
goodness.
Okay.
Them are real jalapenos.
Oh, but one side has more sauce.
Real jalapenos. Oh my god. Did you eat some?
I ate some of the veggies. The veggie pasta.
Ooh, that looks really good.
I'm gonna give you half, but
No, you are gonna give me half.
But you can't take half because you have no plates.
Oh, I'd be interested.
I don't know how to eat this.
It's an old married couple.
Yeah, you
Oh, yeah, it's really good, but it's really good.
Oh my god,
learn
this
how to
is
eat.
so good.
What?
He's talking to you. Learn how to eat. Mmm.
Oh my god.
You can actually taste the rosemary in there. Yeah. It's cooked through. That is so good.
You gotta try that. It's super bomb.
Them are good. I'm not giving you one because they're too good.
Kind of dig it. There's no good way.
I really do.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Isn't it? It's different.
It is. Everything is so good.
I kind of wish I had a plate though.
Not only jalapenos, this has sriracha sauce on it too.
Yeah. As I said, you're crazy.
So good.
Winner.
It smells really good too.
How was the veggies?
Good.
Ooh, they julienne them all.
This ketchup is sweet.
They're good.
This ketchup is sweet.
Potatoes are good.
You should dip it in the sauce.
They did.
No. What have you made there?
Try some.
I did. That's the Colorado state emblem.
Oh,
See, like
Colorado.
the C of the O you see on the
Yeah.
stickers and everything?
You got Wi-Fi.
Mary had a little lamb, and then Aja ate her leg.
Aww. So there's a bet going on
This is mom's lunch.
that she is gonna eat all those jalapenos.
Do 15 seconds, then you can swallow them.
Oh, no, I'm not done. We're doing
Can't drink anything for 2 minutes, okay?
What? Now you're adding stuff on to this.
And salt?
I'm adding a little salt.
2 minutes.
2
Can't
minutes.
drink nothing.
2 minutes.
I can eat though, right?
Eat all, no? Oh, you can eat it, yeah.
Yeah.
You just can't drink them for 2 minutes. Eat them all in one. You gotta
Right.
chew them out for at least 15 seconds.
I'm voting for her. She can do it.
Oh, by the way, when you bring the bill for lunch, she's buying.
13.
There's always find a loophole.
She did it. Yay.
Thank you, sir.
You just lost $20.
Oh, she's buying lunch.
All done.
You eat like a chipmunk on 4th of July.
What do you think about that, sir?
He's talking about you.
No, he was looking at you, sir. Okay, children, stop.
Okay, here's what we gotta do. Oh, I missed.
Stop. You're gonna keep it up.
Careful before you knock your drink over.
Too late. It's in there.
Pants.
Okay,
Okay.
stop throwing ice.
Pants.
Anyway,
What?
do you know what I'm saying here?
Oh. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Yay.
So this is our trophy. It's got peanut butter mousse here.
Okay.
Dark chocolate, white chocolate mousse, raspberry sauce. And
That looks
usually
awesome.
what I do is I just crush it up and
Just give it a real.
Crush it up.
That looks awesome.
Haha, I kept my fork.
Happy birthday.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
More blood. More
Oh
blood.
my God.
Blood. She's a vampire.
Gotta get a piece of your chocolate.
What does that mean?
That
Yeah, I've
chocolate
been
is
eating
good.
it over here. That's the bottom. It's really good.
Oh.
The strawberry sort of takes the sugar out of the other stuff.
I need that stuff. Go to the bathroom.
We'll be back.
What are you doing now?
Go quick.
Oh. Thanks, y'all.
Thank you.
So we thought he left just to go smoke a cigarette, but he already paid, so we're sitting there waiting, and the waiter's like, yeah, he already paid. Lord. You think you're slick, huh?
Does that lady even hear that her alarm was going off?
No.
Have what?
Come and go hat.
No,
Oh, not a come and go hat.
Alright.
How was your come and go experience?
Oh.
White picket fence. There are some cute little houses in this town. Look at those mountains over there in the distance. That's so beautiful. Lord. Look at y'all. Can't even make it up the hill. That's what you get for smoking.
We're frolicked out.
Yeah, you're frolicked out.
Take me out, coach. I'm burning.
All right, everybody, we are back at base camp. It was a beautiful day today. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love y'all. We're supposed to run and frolic in the weeds. They're running and frolicking in the weeds.
They look stupid.
Don't tell them that.
They're